So today's video is regarding Epson Expression Home XP4100. So I'm going to unbox and quick setup. So in the box we get 4 cartridges, 1 power cable, and we have some manual and a CD for big drivers. So once we switch it on, we will see the screen. Now we can select the language, that is English. So it's not a touch screen, so we need to press OK. So next step is to install the ink cartridges for the setup that come with the printer. Now we go and open the printer. So you will see it will stand itself. And now, so once your cartridges are ready, so don't remove seal. It will automatically be removed once we insert it. And now we are going to insert all these one by one. Now we should match all our cartridges with these numbers and colors. So the first one is black, so that you can see there. So we just put it like that and press it downwards. It will lock itself from here. Then comes the yellow. Just place it like downwards and it will lock itself. Then comes this M, magenta, and then just press it downwards. And that's the last one, which is can. So we just, so once we have done it, we just close the top shelf and we click on the screen that we have installed the printers. So press OK. One is the rear tray that we can see here, and here we can adjust the size and we can insert the page here. I'll show you that. Now open the flatbed, place it here. Now I'll go to the display screen. Now on the display screen we can see the copy option here, so we just press OK. And number of copies, just 1. And so just press the copy button and wait for the printer to print. Thanks.